In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in GoDaddy. If you've finished working on your account and want to make sure your session is closed properly, signing out is a simple but important step. This is especially helpful if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or even just want to keep your account secure after making changes. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can do it confidently. To begin, open your GoDaddy account. You can do this by going to the GoDaddy website and making sure you're already signed in. Once you're on your account page, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen, because that's usually where your account options are located. If the page looks a little different depending on your device or browser, don't worry. The general process is still the same. Next, click on your profile. This is the section that gives you access to your account settings and personal account options. In many cases, your profile may appear as a small icon, a circle, or a menu with your account label near the top right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, give yourself a second to scan the header area carefully. Once the profile menu opens, look for the Sign Out option. When you see it, click Sign Out. As soon as you do that, GoDaddy will sign you out of your account. You may be taken back to the home page or to a sign-in page, depending on how the site responds on your device. That's completely normal. After signing out, it's a good idea to confirm that the account is no longer open. One easy way to check is to see whether the site is asking you to sign in again instead of showing your account dashboard. This helps make sure the sign out was successful. And that's it. The process is very quick. Open your GoDaddy account, click your profile, and then click Sign Out. If the option doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or checking whether the profile menu has fully opened. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign out of GoDaddy quickly and easily.